Robbins Financial is committed to making banking more convenient than ever. This video will give you an overview of digital banking with a quick look at how to find things and some of the major features. Go ahead and sign into your account and we'll get started. Alright, once you've signed in, you'll see your account summary page. Right in the middle, you'll see an overview of any accounts you currently have. Want to reorganize? It's easy to click on any account and drag to a new spot to rearrange. If you click on one account, like your checking account, this page will show you all the transaction history on the account. You can view check images, direct deposits, debit card transactions, or any other activity on your account. In order to get back to your account summary screen, click the Home button up at the top of the navigation buttons on the left. Now let's take a closer look at the navigation buttons on the left side, as that will be your primary way to get around. Just under the Home button, you'll see Transactions and History. Go ahead and click on this to expand the menu and see more options. Here you will find some common transactions you may use for your accounts, such as transferring funds, depositing checks, and more. You can click on Online Activity Center to review your entire transaction history, or to view any recurring transactions you have set up. Within the Activity Center, you can filter your history of online banking transactions by date, account, type of transaction, status of transaction, amount, and more. Note that if you want to see a complete list of all transactions, and not just digital banking transactions, you should click on Home to go to the Account Summary page, and then select the account whose transactions you wish to view. In the main menu, you'll also see the Product and Services tab. This is where you can manage bill pay, e-statements, mobile deposits, and more. Next, click on the Self-Service options. If you move, get a new phone number, or have other changes, you'll need to update your contact preferences. That's easy to do with this first button. Simply update your info on the form provided and click Submit. If you want to nickname your accounts, you can do this when you click Account Preferences. Nicknames can also be applied on the home screen for easy organization. To change your login password, click Security Preferences. Next, click Accounts. Here, you can open accounts and order checks. To activate a new card, make a PIN request, or report a lost or stolen card, click Cards. Now let's help you manage loans. Click on the Loan section to reveal multiple options. This is where you can apply for a loan, make a payment, and more. If you need to find the location of a Robbins Financial Credit Union branch, just click on the Branches button. There, you will see a map with the nearest branches on it. This feature is really helpful in the mobile app because you can then navigate to your selected location right from your phone. We've also made it easy for you to get in touch with a Robbins representative. If you click on the Messages tab, you will be able to send a secure message to a representative. Here, we can assist with account inquiries, fraud reporting, digital banking support, and more. And that is the quick overview of digital banking. Remember, you can do this on your phone, tablet, or PC, anytime, anywhere. For more info on many of the features you glimpsed today, be sure to check out other videos in this series. Thanks for watching. For more information, call, click, or visit any of our branch locations.